Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. So today we're going to be learning about background in CSS. So let's get started. So today, as I said, we're going to be learning about background, like its customization, the background images, and something like that. So yeah. So basically, I already said this about this background in my previous videos, like in my previous CSS or in my previous HTML videos. So yeah. So we're just gonna be refreshing them, and we're gonna be learning about background images too, which we never learned them. So let's go ahead and learn about this. So first thing first, we're gonna have a text, so that basically a default text or so. So I'm just gonna have an H1 text saying below as, what should we say? So let's just say below is background, and there we go. So let's just go ahead and do that. CSS example. Let's go with that. And then under this, we're gonna have a P, basically a paragraph tag, and then we're also gonna have a BR tag, so that we just have a bit of spacing there. And then we're gonna say, hello, this is some text, and we're gonna open this with live server, or I guess I already opened it, yeah. So below is background CSS example. Hello, this is some text. Let me see if it's zoomed in, so we kept it in 150 so you guys can see. So below is background CSS example, and we are text in our paragraph. So now we're gonna be customizing them. So first, let's just say you wanna customize the paragraph tag. So in this paragraph tag, what we're gonna do is we're gonna customize the background color, since we're gonna be learning about background. And what we're gonna do under this is basically just we are gonna have something like this. So let's just go ahead and put a background color of aqua would be good. There we go. Hello, this is some text. So that works. So that's an example of how this thing works. So this background, we're basically doing the background color. And you can do the same with H1. Remove that P tag, put H1, and that works. Aqua. Let's go ahead and put our this P tag right there. So that's the first thing you can do, and you can do many things with this. You can customize in different colors. So now the next thing we're going to be learning about is a background image. So instead of you having like normal kind of thing, what you can do is you can just keep something like this. So you're gonna have body, and then inside this you're gonna put background, and under this image, background image, and then you need something called URL. There we go. And now I already have a photo right here, I guess. So let's go see html.png, or do we have any other thing? I guess no. So we're gonna use this html.png then. So let's go ahead and go to our index.css, and we're gonna type html.png. There we go. And there we go. I mean, that's not that bad. I mean, we're gonna customize that later, but it works. We're getting our background image as our html.png, basically our HTML logo. So that works. Below is background CSS example. Hello, there's some text. So this is basically repeating horizontally and vertically. So it's repeating in both ways. So vertically and horizontally. So that works, but it's repeating, which we don't want it. So for that, you're gonna use another background, which is basically called background repeat. And there are a lot of things under background, as you see. Feel free to just use them, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys the basic ones. So yeah, and what we can do is you can do something called background repeat as no repeat, so that it doesn't repeat, but it's small, like it doesn't fit the whole page. So for that, you can use another thing called background size, and you can just put it like cover, contain, or auto or something. I'm just gonna put cover. There we go. So that's basically gonna cover the whole page. But instead, what you can do is you can put something like this, 100% and another 100%. There we go. So this is basically gonna stretch this. So let's just mess with these. Put that, and that's gonna change that. So let's try 500 to fit the whole page, I guess. Or maybe 250. Probably that's half of it. So, oh wait, we messed it up. Let me just go ahead and put that 250. That's a lot better, but it doesn't fit the whole page. You can just change those percentage and stuff. So this is basically kind of like stretching the image, and this is gonna make the image to not repeat. But if you change this to something like this, so let's go ahead and change this to repeat, and it's gonna be repeating. So yeah, it's not repeating that much because of our size. So if I remove my size, it's gonna be the same thing. So that's an example of background, and those are the basic things you can use with background. And so that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.